Okay, we have a Doall horizontal automatic bandsaw model C1213A, serial number 412-85272. Machine was new in 1985. We're running right now. Machine has a 1 1/4 inch blade, 12 3/4 inch round cutting capacity, or 12 by 13 rectangular. The maximum length is 144 inches. You have a multiple vise shuttle. You'll see how it works. Front and rear vise. The blade speed goes from 60 to 300 feet per minute. When it's going to go down, right, the head will go back up. Here it goes. Head up. The rear vise should open. Now push forward. Front vise closes. Rear vise will then. Rear vise opened. Now we're going through cut again. He's at 160 blade speed. You see the tachometer of the blade speed. And it'll do it again. Rear vise closed, push forward, bring the bar forward, front vise will close, head down. And you can also, do all this stuff manually as well. But that's basically what you see there. Yep. Front. Okay. Yep. Clamp on clamp. That's basically it. Hey, thank you for watching our video.